Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, back up essential files because you will change default apps. First, allow app installs from the Play Store or enable unknown sources if needed. This lets you add an iOS-style launcher, control center app, and an iOS icon pack. Once installed, open each app and grant accessibility, notifications, and overlay permissions so widgets and gestures work. Make the new launcher the default home app. This is the pivot that immediately transforms your home screens into iPhone-like layouts. No waiting. Once done with basic installs, you configure the interface. Apply the iOS icon pack and select a 4x grid, hide labels, and create an Apple-style dock to mimic spacing. Install a dedicated lock screen app and add widgets for clock, weather, and a control center toggle so quick settings match iPhone behavior. Then, make sure to set gestures. Swipe up to access the app drawer or open the control center, and tweak animations and fonts to match iOS timing. This tightens the illusion of an iPhone experience. To finish, synchronize sounds, haptics, and wallpapers so tactile and audio cues feel iPhone-like. Use a live wallpaper and set matching ringtones. Test core apps, messages, phone, camera, and adjust app defaults and permissions to remove surprises. If apps misbehave or the launcher stutters, reboot your device, clear the launcher cache, or reinstall the offending module. And if things go seriously wrong, restore from the backup you made at the start. One key tip: clearing cache often resolves gesture or layout glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.